G'day guys, Seemyshell here, and next up in this series we have lab caches or new lab adventures. Let's go! Lab Adventures, they are a separate app. That's right, you have to download a separate app called the Lab Adventure app, I think it's called. Anyway, it will take you to either 5 or 10 different locations, at which location you have to answer certain questions or do certain tasks in order to gain that lab cache. Lab caches are, there's no logbook. They're very much like virtual caches. We'll see how we go. I'm at the first one now, first waypoint right now. So this lab adventure takes me to the first waypoint, and this particular lab adventure talks about the area and its history. And this one here is about this beautiful, gorgeous bay. Waypoint 2 brings us to these pillars and a commemorative plaque. We have to get some details off the plaque and then log it from there. So each of these waypoints is actually a find. Waypoint 3 or lab cache 3, and as always, sometimes you have to look around. Sometimes it's not on a plaque and it's not on an information sign. Sometimes it's right over yonder. A boat in a dry dock. And now we're up to waypoint number 5 or lab cache number 5. This one here, again, information off some plaques and cache obtained, just like that. But you know what? Have a look at this view. And of course, while you're out doing your lab adventure, don't forget to look up the actual official geocaching app as well, because that's right, there's caches to be had. I'll tell you what, it doesn't get much better than this. Signing a logbook with that in the background. This is the reason why I am a geocacher. If I can look, if I can get the container open. There we go. Oh wow, don't forget to check the official app as you're going around, because remember, as I said before, you do find others. Here's another one for the list. Anyway guys, if you like these videos, make sure you click the subscribe button and don't forget to ring that little bell. Make sure you get notifications every single time I do a new video. Otherwise, I'm going to sign this and be on my way. Thanks for watching, I'm over and out. Oh, look at that view. Ready? Woo. So pretty. So pretty.